Hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by the MCI Home. So, kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here at Alder Residences. So nandito tayo sa isang unit viewing ni Alder Residences under kay Anday everything. So what I will be showcasing to you is the 3-bedroom unit na nagko-consist ng 98 square meters. So we're here at 1503. Yan, makikita natin dito. So ngayon, papasok tayo ngayon sa isang unit na meron tayo dito. So right now guys, as we enter, so makikita naman natin dito ang ating kitchen area. So ang ating kitchen area, merong granite countertop finish and kitchen sink. And makikita na naman natin dito na napaka-generous ni DMCI Home sa cabinets. So by the way guys, this is a soft close system cabinet. Yan, so hindi na siya bumabaksak. And makikita naman natin dito na we have the provision for the exhaust. And here guys, on this side, nandito ang ating bedroom 3. So what I like about this layout, so napakaluwag ng bedroom na meron tayo dito. And may windows and cabinet na pwede pa tayo mailagay. And here guys, nandito ang ating provision for our washing machine area or storage area. So it would depend on your requirement. Kasi nga may mga clients na rin ako na hindi na sila nagpapalandry na lang sila. So ginagawa na nila storage. No? And here, so this is the common toilet and bath natin. So upon turnover, ang kasama natin dito is yung granite countertop finish natin for the lavatory. And yung toilet bowl natin. And also our shower set. So makikita na naman natin na naka-rain shower na siya. Ang kulang na lang dyan is yung water heater. And here guys, makikita natin ang ating bedroom 2. So this is one spacious bedroom 2. So makikita naman natin dito yung ating window. So upgraded na kay Alder Residences yung window natin. So queen size bed would fit here. And here guys, nandito ang ating bedroom 1. So yung bedroom 1 natin, so this is the master's bedroom. Yan. So we also have the access for the balcony. So ganito ka siya kalaki, and we have the master's bedroom toilet. So yung master's bedroom toilet natin, yan, upon turnover, kasama rin ng granite countertop finish, toilet bowl, and the shower set. And here nga guys, makikita naman natin dito na napaka-spacious ng magiging ating living area and dining area. So ngayon, may mga provisions tayo dito for the internet, cables, or telephone. So ang ating entertainment system nandito, ang ating sala set nandito. And also, this is what I like about this unit layout is because yung balcony natin, nandito siya. So it consists of 8.5 square meters. So naka-glass balcony na siya. And what I like about this is the view. So lalo-lalo na kapag New Year, makikita naman natin dito yung mga fireworks. And also guys, I want also to add on this one kasi because dito kay Alder Residences sold out na siya. However, we have the Mulberry Place Phase 2. So, marami pa tayong available na 3-bedroom doon. So, if you're interested or kung gusto niyo makita yung mga details, just feel free to message me. And pwede tayong mag-set ng site tripping. So guys, ito pa lang ang aking contact details. So, it's Mike PH Property. So, nandyan ang aking numbers. Yan, makikita nyo dyan. And guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and pag-support sa aking channel. And God bless and have a great day ahead. And ciao.